all everyone. Myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as assistant professor at Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss MSc second semester 3, that is course of laser. Now last lecture we have discussed carbon dioxide laser. Now in this lecture we have discussed excimer laser. Excimer laser constitute an interesting and important class of molecule laser. Excimer laser was first demonstrated in mid 1970s, and their importance lies in that they are most powerful UV laser. The active medium of these laser consists of diatomic molecule that can be bound into the single system when they are in excited state only. These diatomic molecules exist only as monomers. In ground state, they are repel one another in interatomic distance. Figure shows that potential energy curve A, that is this one, as a function of distance between the monomer, and excitation modify the state of atom that there appear an interactive force with other atom. The potential energy curve B, that is this one, shows potential energy vibration in excited state of atom. The curve exhibits dip, indicating that at interatomic distance the atoms are bound together because they have minimum energy at that separation. Such molecules which exist only excited state are called excited state dimer or excimer in short. For example, the atom of insert gas can be bound into molecule by imparting energy to them. The excimer state is metastable state. When atoms are bound together in excited state, they can occupy several vibrational levels in potential well of curve. Principle: excimer are discussed above are molecules which are bound in their excited electronic state but are unstable in their ground state. Example: argon fluoride, krypton chloride, krypton fluoride, xenon bromide, etc. Since excimer are unstable in their ground state, they are ideal for forming active medium for laser. Since the lower level can be ground state in which the molecule is unstable, and hence population inversion can be automatically maintained. Pumping is usually accomplished either by the fast transfer, discharge, or through high voltage, high current electron source. Excimer laser are tunable and emit a ultraviolet, that is UV region. Method: the active medium can be excited rare gas dimmer such as argon, krypton, or xenon. A rare gas oxide are argon oxide, krypton oxide, or xenon oxide, or rare gas atom in combination with halide atom such as argon fluoride, krypton fluoride, or xenon chloride. Excimer laser are excited by passing a short intense electric discharge through a mixture of discharged gases. Electric in discharge transfer energy to the gas, causing formation of excited molecule. The molecule remain excited for 10 nanoseconds and then drop to the ground state and dissociate. The upper laser level in excimer is its electronic excited state and lower level in the electronic ground state. Therefore, population inversion will occur as soon as some atoms are bound to form molecule in excited state. Once a molecule drop to the lower, it separate out into the atom. Therefore, the lower in excimer laser is always vacant. As examer laser have high gain, the cavity mirror are not required. However, one fully reflection mirror is used in the rear and unsilver transparent window is used as output mirror. Examer laser are mainly used in reflective surgery on the eyes in the manufacture or semiconductor device. They are also used in material processing, photography and pumping of dye laser. The table list of some examer laser and wavelength at which they are observed. This table. Argon wavelength is 1216. Argon chloride wavelength is 1750. Argon fluoride wavelength is 1930. Krypton chloride is 2220. Krypton fluoride is 2490. Xenon chloride wavelength is 3080 and xenon fluoride wavelength is 3500. These are examer laser and wavelength up they are operated. Now this lecture we have discussed examer laser. Thank you so much.